AI can write a book in minutes. So why do so many people who want to publish on Amazon never actually get their first book live? Because getting words onto a screen was never the whole problem. Imagine someone using an AI writing tool to create a manuscript. The text is done, great. But now what? They still have to decide whether the niche is worth entering. They need to look at competing books, figure out what readers actually want, create a cover, format the manuscript for KDP, choose keywords and categories, and finally prepare everything for publication. The AI solved one part. The rest of the publishing job is still sitting there. And that's where things can get frustrating. Instead of one simple process, beginners can end up jumping between writing tools, design software, research tools, formatting solutions, and Amazon's publishing system. The problem isn't that AI isn't useful. It's that generating content doesn't automatically create a publishable book business. You can have thousands of words and still have no idea whether you've chosen the right niche, whether your book addresses something readers are looking for, or whether everything is ready for KDP. So the bottleneck moves. First, it was writing. Then it becomes everything around the writing. And if that happens with every book, building a publishing portfolio becomes much harder to maintain. While researching a more complete approach to this problem, I came across BookFlipper AI. It's designed around the broader Amazon KDP publishing process rather than simply generating book content. Instead of starting with a blank page, BookFlipper AI's official information says it can help identify potential niches and analyze existing books to find gaps before generating the manuscript. It also brings manuscript creation, cover design, formatting, and publishing preparation into the same workflow. The interesting part isn't simply that AI can write. It's that the writing is connected to the steps that come before and after it. That's a very different way to think about AI for KDP. Not just creating words, but reducing the number of separate problems you have to solve around those words. If you're curious to see how it works, you'll find more information in the description. Link in the description.